Alright, so new chum bag, yep. I had some old mesh from an old backpack project that I just never finished. I just took it and tied up with some rope around that and put one ball of my Aqua Nutrition chum in there, and that's gonna go overboard. And oh, come on, really? And that's going from that, I don't know, that's maybe 6 feet of line. Going to, I forget the name of that hitch, but you can see going to some little bit stronger lines. There's about 15 feet worth of line there. And this will go onto the boat, you know, something like that or whatever on the boat, and it'll just be sitting off to the side. And that's what we plan to do, but we ain't gonna be doing that until the weather breaks, so hopefully it's gonna break tonight or in the morning. But my truck's having tire problems again, and I don't really want to put any more money into that truck. Stinking trucks, man. There we go, chum bag, short video, probably. I'm gonna try that out, hopefully, if the weather breaks. Chum bag of doom.